Hi everyone, I'm Cassandra Huck. I am a senior this year, graduating in May. I am majoring in agricultural and environmental sciences communication, so shout out to Dr. Cannon's old stomping grounds, and an emphasis in strategic communications. So, a little about myself. I am originally from Scottsbluff, Nebraska, which is 20-30 miles from the Wyoming border, so it's a long old drive out there. This past summer, I interned at Farm Credit Services of America. The picture here you can see myself and then the rest of my coworkers. We volunteered with the food bank in my local community. So I really enjoyed that. And so for my future, I would like to return home to pursue a career in agriculture. I really enjoyed what I did this summer with Farm Credit, but we'll see where my path takes me. So, some interesting things about myself is I'm really passionate about agriculture. I love communicating it and learning about it, and um, I love to read. Uh, that's my favorite pastime. It's really hard during the school year, so kind of bums me out, but I do as much as I can. Spending time with my puppy, obviously. This is my puppy in all the pictures, Mara. I just got her in August, so she keeps me on my toes and keeps me busy. And I also really enjoy doing DIY projects around my house and fixing things up. So that's a little about myself. So my interest in this class is I really want to work on improving my public relations writing, news releases, fact sheets, etc. It's been a few semesters since I've taken an actual PR class, and so I really want to hone down on those skills and be sure I'm ready for my future career path. I really want to learn more about the public relations writing styles. In the AdCom program, we do a lot of reflective writing, and so I want to do more PR writing and stuff that I will use in my future career. And then also, I just really want to build my portfolio. Since I'm graduating in May, it's never hurts to add more things. And I think from this class, I'll get a lot of experience and opportunity to do so. So I'm really excited for that. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. I'm really excited for this class, and I can't wait to see where it takes me and who I get to meet.